on the question about spouses. So if the guy say, okay, let me put it this way: how much of his emotional vulnerability is the guy allowed to show to his wife? For example, if the guy cries very easily, or is very, I wouldn't say he's very affected emotionally for what happens in his surroundings or to other people. Is it okay if he hides? I don't know, if he feels like he wants to cry for some things, is it okay if he hides this from his spouse in order not to look too vulnerable in front of her?
I mean, I would think it would depend on the woman. So if she would take it as like normal, like as human, that there's no problem. But if she's looking for a macho man, this hero, yeah, that's would not work very well for him, because she would use it against him, right? At one point, not now, but sometimes later, she would remember this thing. So I would say it depends on her. So, and the more you know, the longer you live with a person, the more you know them, and you decided, like, first you hide things which is questionable, and then you see how it's going to play out. Okay.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.